Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to exactly image to image transform any image with a text form. You can transform image to any images in any color and any variation like this and look like this one. So if you are really interested to learn how to convert an image to image and transform an image with a text form using runyml.com, it's absolutely free. Just need your Gmail or email. Just go to google.com, then type runyml.com, then log in with your Gmail or email. Then you can see this is interface. When you create an account, you can got some I created it for use a few days. So today we are exploring this one, image to image transform any image with a text form. Just click here, then upload your own image, in image and in others image. This does not matter. So I use this photo. Then now I want to change this photo in a realistic, a cinematic and in others if I want. So I want to for photo out and type make it cinematic real. That's it. Just click generate. You can type any word and if you want to and you are interested, this doesn't matter. This guy to create image for you. Wow, you can see this is a really good 4 images. This is original image actually. Then this photo, 4 photo, this tool create for me. Then 4 photo are emerging. So if you want to download 4 image, this is possible. Just go here. Then you can see this is the download button. Just click download. Then your photo are already downloaded. Then I want to download. This is look emerging. This photo. So I don't need others image. So this is super easy work actually. So if you want to more video about those type of chat GPT AI, make money, how to use AI, how to use chat GPT, how to make a game, etc, etc, please comment below and subscribe this channel. Thank you. See you again in the next video.